How to mend a hose. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can mend your hose and save money that way. Instead of buying a new hose, every time you have a tear, you can mend it like this one right here. So what you're going to need is you're going to need scissors or sharp knife. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Like this one right here, I cut it already with the scissors. I cut it. You want to make sure you cut it straight with the scissors. The part that was had a tear, I just cut it out. So now I'm just gonna attach the male hose end that I bought. This one I just got. You can get this from any hardware store or garden center. I got this from Walmart. So all I'm gonna have to do is just cut the plastic off, and then we should be able to use it. So when you're buying it, depending on what end of your hose is bad, either the male end or the female end, you want to make sure that you get the end that is bad, that you want to replace. So right now mine is the male end that's bad, that I'm gonna replace. So this is the male end that goes into the hand sprayer, or the hose end sprayer. So now we're just gonna attach it to the hose over here. So first of all, you want to put the ring in there, and then you put the hose end, and you want to push it in as much as possible. Then you just tighten it up. You want to tighten it up as much as possible so that it holds and it doesn't leak. Once it's completely tight and secure, you just want to make sure that you check it and make sure that it's completely tight and secure before you can add the spray, or the whatever hose you use on it. So now just making sure that everything is completely secured. Then we can test it and see how it goes. Okay, it is all set now. So we're just gonna add our hose end sprayer. We're gonna add our adapter to it, and test it and see how it goes, and turn on the water. So just have to screw this in, and once it's completely in, we're gonna test and make sure that it's working by turning the water on. Once the water is on, then we can check and make sure that there's no water coming out where we just attach it. As you can see, everything is doing well. The water is not coming out. Okay, I think that is it for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.